This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about mixing bowls, specifically these Metlux stainless steel mixing bowls. The premium German mixing bowls are available in several sizes, and we have the 2-quart, 3-quart, 6-quart, and 9-quart here. Stainless steel bowls are a durable tool that are prized by all chefs for their ability to really stand up to heavy use and perform a variety of different tasks. You can use them to do things like prepping dry and wet ingredients, mixing sauces and batters, marinating proteins, preparing side dishes and fillings, and also doing everyday things like tossing salads and dressings. You can also use them to do things like create a double boiler with your pots. They're a truly versatile and solid tool that's easy to maintain. I love that these specifically have this great reinforced rim for extra stability, and they're just an essential tool for any kitchen or chef.